Hey everybody, Michael Snyder, California Weather Watch. Today is August 8th, and right now we are looking at the visible satellite imagery. You can see we don't have much of a marine layer up and down the California coastline there, right near the Bay Area. There is a bit of it in some of Southern California. You can already see that it's starting to peel away from the coastline a bit as we go through the early morning hours here today. Let's go back through yesterday. We didn't have any thunderstorm activity across California. You can see the cumulus clouds trying to build, but not enough to trigger that thunderstorm. You can also see that we are dealing with the fire from the smoke from the Gifford fire. They're producing quite a bit of smoke. Air quality during the afternoon and evening hours has been quite bad across a lot of Southern California. It's been drifting off to the west as well. Take a look at that in some detail here in a moment. Taking a look at the fire, you can kind of see it right now. There's kind of the burn scar area, and you can see it's still burning. You can see that hot spot there. And if we scroll through the overnight hours and going backwards right now, you still see that fire burning and again producing a lot of smoke with that Gifford fire, which is now up over 70,000 acres. So quickly take a look at the lightning strikes over the last 24 hours. Again, nothing to speak of for California. And as far as the next couple of days, we're not expecting thunderstorms here across the state. You can see a little bit of monsoon moisture as we go through late Wednesday night into very early Thursday morning, right there across Arizona, trying to reach out a little bit across the Gulf of California towards Baja here, but not making it this way just yet. Now, looking at vertically integrated smoke, so this is the next 48 hours as well, and you can kind of see how the Gifford fire is just producing huge amounts of smoke out there. It's coming across some of the southern Sierra Nevada, some of the San Joaquin Valley, Southern California. It's pushing off across portions of Nevada. It's been messing with Las Vegas, some of the desert areas as well. So yeah, uh, not a good look there. And yeah, I don't know what to say. That is producing some nasty stuff out there. The air quality indexes have not been good at times. And this is the air quality index basics here. Of course, the green is good, the maroon is hazardous. And then you look here, not too bad right now, but it's going to get ramped up again here as we go through the day today, still producing smoke. And again, here is that Guilford fire. So if we take a look, it is around what 72,460 acres. This is last updated just this morning, and yeah, it doesn't look like it's going to be out anytime soon. You can check out the UC San Diego webcam also, and you can see the actual live stream of this. And again, these fires get really ramped up during the afternoon and the evening hours. It'll be producing more smoke as we go through the day today. No thunderstorms expected, as I mentioned. Arizona, some isolated dry potential for eastern portions, and there is some critical fire danger across portions of Utah, Clip, Nevada, and some elevated down towards Las Vegas as well. So now let's take a look here at what is to come. We've got this system going through the Pacific Northwest, and in the wake of that, we get this ridge building. That's going to warm up the temperatures here as we go through this weekend, but we're probably going to kick them back down as we get a little bit of weakness in that ridge and we start to continue some of the troughing here. And that's good news here. I mean, we're going to be warm for a few days, but then we're going to bring the temperatures back down towards normal, and I'll show you some more on that here in a moment. But I want to show you the next 6 days here as precipitation goes. You can see we do have some tropical systems, tropical waves way off to the southwest, harmless, not of any of impact on the state of California. And as we go through the next 6 days, you see not much in the way of precipitation. Some monsoon moisture trying to move in as we go through the weekend. You can see it pushing into Arizona. Didn't see much of that for California, but can't rule out maybe a stray storm here for extreme southeastern California. More on that here in a moment. National blended model. So here we are today, Tuesday, August 5th. You can see 90s widespread across the valley areas. You go to the coastal regions, of course, you're going to cool down quite dramatically. I mean, look at that right on the coastline. There's 61 for a high up and down the Northern California coastline. You're in the 60s, but if you go across the desert areas, you're much warmer. You're 110 there at Palm Springs. Very warm conditions for Las Vegas, Death Valley, probably up over 115 degrees as well. Now, as we scroll through the next few days, you see a little bit of a warming trend tomorrow. Thursday, Friday, yet again, we're back up over 100s for much of the valley areas. Sacramento, right around 100 degrees as well. There's Saturday, Sunday, very warm temperatures all the way up towards Redding, and you can see some of the interior areas across Northern California. The exception, of course, like it has been all year, is the coastal areas are going to be below normal here as we go through the extended forecast yet again, but some of the interior areas will be above. And then as you see, as we go towards the mid portion of August, we cool things down a little bit here, at least from where we will be this weekend. Now, 2 meter temperature anomaly. So I'm going to scroll through here the next few days, and you'll kind of see, again, this familiar pattern of the cooler coastal areas and the warm up across some of the interior areas. I mean, look at the Bay Area, just continues to be below normal. Coastal Central Coast, all the way down through Southern California, below normal here as we go through August 13th, 14th, 15th, on through the extended forecast. So not a bad sight there. 6 to 10 day above normal across much of the west coast. Again, excluding the immediate coastline here, but I guess it's too fine a detail for the Climate Prediction Center to worry about there. Kind of interesting because there are millions of people who live in the Bay Area in Southern California that will be affected by those below normal temperatures. So anyway, 6 to 10 day precipitation. Look at the monsoon season signal starting to try to creep down towards Arizona. And then we go to the 8 to 14 day, and then you see that's trying to move down into California here as well. So maybe a little bit of monsoon moisture as we go through the mid-month period. No promises on that just yet. So check out the Patreon page. It's free to join up. You can send me some of your images in the community tab, or you can donate some of your hard-earned money. Yeah, what else? We'll keep breaking things down. We'll try to get some of this precipitation back into the state here eventually. And things will pick up as we go through the later summer period. Of course, we'll probably start to get some offshore wind events. We'll change up this pattern of the cooler coastal areas. I'm confident at some point. And of course, we'll start to worry about tropical systems and moisture moving up across the region as well as we get a bit further on in towards summer. And yeah, and actually by September 1st, you're looking at meteorological fall starting here. And then September 21st, officially it begins. So anyway, click like and subscribe. We'll do this all again tomorrow, and I will talk to you guys then.